Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Well guys, now I'm going to tell you how to deal with multiple choice questions. We do have multiple choice in IELTS reading as well as IELTS listening. The only difference is number of options. In IELTS listening, there are 3 options, but in IELTS reading, there are 4 options. Now, let me tell you how to deal with multiple choice. By the way, multiple choice questions, they have 2 parts. The first part is the question and the second part is the options. Okay, so I'm going to tell you how to deal with it, how to read the question and then how to match the options. Now, what is the question? What does the writer say? It means writer's opinion, writer's view, writer's claim, writer's point of view about the environmental impact. The subject of the question is environmental impact of work at Lake Magadi. Lake Magadi is object. So we need to find writer's opinion about environmental impact at Lake Magadi. Now, this is question, and by the way, there is a question mark. It means this multiple choice is a question. Some multiple choice questions are incomplete sentences, right? They write incomplete sentence and then there are 4 options. So some multiple choices are like that. In IELTS listening, they are like opinion, or sometimes they are about agreement, disagreement and all that. Okay, now we've got the options, right? The first thing is you need to go to the passage where you find environmental impact. Lake Magadi is clue word. It is also possible that the whole passage is about Lake Magadi. So you need to find environmental impact. Once you reach environmental impact, right, then afterwards you can just see what is it that writer says. Okay, and then you need to come back to the options, and by the way, they will mention all options. For example, A is it has little effect on the area, right? So in the passage they may have mentioned it affected the area greatly. So it means A is only a trap. B, it has been going on too long. So they might say there it's been going on for 20 years or 30 years, or they might say it just started recently. So you need to decide whether each option is true according to the passage or not. That is why you have to match these other options with the passage. There is one thing which is called elimination. Now, what is elimination? You just read the question and then you read the passage and then decide whether that is the right answer or it's only a trap. For example, it has been well planned. Right, now they say well planned over here, but in the passage they say it started without any planning, so you will put a cross, and this is how you can do it. Understand? Now let's do this together, and after watching this video, multiple choice will not be a problem for you. Now they say, what's the question? Environmental impact. For more than 60 years, now they say 60 years, Lake Magadi Soda Company has been taking soda ash from Lake Magadi. More than 60 years. Over here, what do they say? It has little effect on the area. It has been going on too long. Now, environmental impact has been going on too long. Remember, they are not talking about environmental impact. They are simply saying, it has, over here they are simply saying for more than 60 years the Magadi Soda Company has been taking soda ash from Lake Magadi. So this 60 years is not related to environmental impact. That's why it's not A. Then this is southwest of Nairobi, Kenya. The operation was set up without particular considerations, or singular, sorry. See, we Pakistani Punjabi people, when we speak English, S comes everywhere. Without particular consideration. Okay, so over here they say it has been well planned. Now see that if it is well planned, So how come without particular consideration? It means C is also a trap. This method is called elimination. Now I am left with two options. So my success rate is 50%. First it was 25%. Okay. Then when I eliminated one option, then it was 33%. Now it is 50%. And if I eliminate one more successfully, it will be 100%. So without particular consideration for the natural environment, but over the years it has proved harmless. Wow. Without particular consideration for the natural environment, but over the years, it means this project of taking soda ash from there, it has proved harmless. Okay, natural environment, but over the years it has proved harmless, means it has proved harmless to the natural environment. Now we are left with two options. Okay, they say it has been going on too long. This is already eliminated. Okay, so they say it has been going on too long, although they mention for more than 60 years, but see that there is no link of this. Oh. Actually I had to cross this one. By mistake I crossed that one. Okay, I apologize for that. Yeah, I said very clearly, sometimes, you know, if you are absent-minded, then this may happen. Anyways, when I said it has been going on too long, so then I had to cross this, but I crossed that. Sorry about that. So it has proved harmless. Now what is the option? It has little effect on the area. See that? But over the years it has proved harmless. Proved harmless means it has little effect on the area. This is the answer. It causes harm to the birds. Let's see. This may be. According to this, it is that. Now let's see. The factory and town which might cause disturbance are located out of the way. About 15 kilometers from the area most densely populated by birds. So it causes harm to the birds. Did they mention anything that it is causing harm to the birds? They only said about 15 kilometers from the area most densely populated by birds. So it causes harm to the birds. That is also eliminated. That is also a trap. So we are left with A. It has little effect on the area. How? Because they say for the natural environment, but over the years it has proved harmless to the natural environment, so it has little effect on the area. A will be the right answer for this multiple choice. So this is only one question. There can be 4 questions, 5 questions. In multiple choice, passage and questions, they are in the same order. All the best, guys. I also teach IELTS online. If you want to join my online IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you all the best. Take good care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.